Keeping your VPN and hosting credentials organized in one place is crucial for security and convenience, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to store all of your VPN and hosting credentials safely and efficiently, so you never have to worry about losing them or keeping them in insecure places. First, let's talk about the challenge. When you manage VPN and hosting accounts, you've got usernames, passwords, and other sensitive information scattered across different platforms. Not only does this make it harder to access your accounts when needed, but it's also a huge security risk if it's not stored properly. That's why today, I'll show you how to store everything in one secure place. The best way to store VPN and hosting credentials is through a password manager. This tool allows you to securely save and organize all of your login information in one easy-to-access location. I've tested several popular password managers, and the software we'll be using today is one of the best for keeping VPN and hosting credentials organized and safe. Now, why is this the best option? For starters, password managers offer encryption, which means your credentials are stored securely and protected from hackers. They also allow you to store not just usernames and passwords, but other sensitive information like server addresses and API keys. So, you'll be able to keep all your login details for VPNs, hosting platforms, and more in a single place. To get started, sign up for the software we'll be using, and then head to the Vault or Password Storage section. Add a new entry for each VPN and hosting account you use. For each entry, include the username, password, and any additional details, like the server address or port number. If the software has the ability to generate strong passwords, I highly recommend using that feature to ensure your credentials are even more secure. Once your credentials are added, make sure to set up two-factor authentication for extra security. Most password managers support this feature, which provides an additional layer of protection in case your primary password is compromised. And here's a quick tip. Organize your entries using tags or categories. For example, you can create a category for VPN accounts and another for hosting accounts. This will make it easy to find and access your credentials when you need them. If you're not already using a password manager, now's the time to get started. In the description below, I've included an exclusive free trial to the software we're using today, which you can use to follow along. This trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out on this opportunity to keep your credentials safe and organized. Key takeaway: storing your VPN and hosting credentials in a password manager is the safest and most efficient way to protect your information. It's simple, secure, and easy to access whenever you need it. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial linked below and get started today. In summary, we've covered how to store your VPN and hosting credentials in a password manager, how to keep your details secure with encryption, and how to organize everything so you can easily access it. If you're ready to take the next step, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial for the software we used. Thanks for watching.